This is a quick tutorial on our KCOM commercial sales database. KCOM can be accessed through our website at McCulloughyAssociates.com. It is password protected, so you'll need to be a subscriber or a beta tester for us. When you enter your password, you'll come to a screen similar to this. Typically, you'll find that the data is grouped by structure type. As you can see here, you can see this here and also here. To move around the records, there's a scroll bar across the bottom. You'll see a great deal of data here. We tried to put the data that you would use the most to sort and select by near the front of the record. There's a tremendous amount of data stored here. Let us take, for example, a sample where we're searching for a prefab metal building. So the first thing we want to do is we may want to scroll through here till we find prefab metal buildings. I'm going to do that very quickly. It's going to be near the bottom here. Here we go. And that structure code is 2731. So the first thing we want to do is restrict everything out except prefab warehouses. So we'll use the structure code to do that. We can do that up here, or we can do that right here in the field. We'll just do it here quickly. And we will add a filter, and we're going to select structure code 2731. Now only structure codes for prefab warehouses will be shown. Now we may want to also restrict that to just valid sales. So we can come either over to the filter here, or we can go to the validity code, add a filter here as well, and we're going to select just type 0 sales. Okay. And we see we have a number of sales here. You can restrict by the economic code, which will be similar to what you're looking for, region of the state, or even by county if you choose to. What we're going to do here as a quick example is we're going to select first by price range. So first thing we might want to do, let's just sort this by price range. And you'll see that they range from $9.38 a square foot to $100 a square foot. Now we know that the property we're looking at is going to be somewhere between under $30, we'll say, for example. So we will add another filter here, and we're going to put the price square foot under $30. Okay, and you'll notice that anything in excess of $30 is now eliminated from the search. And the type of property we're looking for is somewhere between, let's say, around 5,000 square feet. So we'll search for things between, for example, 3,000 and 8,000 square feet. So we'll continue to add filters, and where the total area is greater than 3,000. And we're going to just add another filter, total area. Where it's less than 8,000. So we're now down to a group of sales. You can now examine the data, go through here. You may look at the land use code and determine that something may not fit what you're looking for. May not be in a region that you're looking for, may not be an economic or community size that you're looking for. You can scroll over and look at grades. There's your grades, your condition, functional condition. Does it have a basement? None of these have basement, which would be typical for a prefab. You can look at your wall heights, the construction, and some additional information. None of these have any other improvements, manufactured home or residential buildings associated with them. Other improvements would be other improvements that are not tied directly to the building. If you want to get a look at these properties, you can click the Google map. You can see in many cases Google has a good picture of the property. You can see where it's located. And you can print this map. Just do a print, right click and print. You can type your information if you want to put your QREF number, your COV, or other information here, and you can then print that. We do not have PRCs attached to all of these properties at this time, but we will have. But here's one where we have the PRC attached, and that's Ref 1471. I may have said that wrong. 1477, excuse me. And there's your PRC for that property. You can download that for later printing. When you get through, you can remove the sorts if you want to. You can redo your search. If you want to remove the sorts for whatever reason and start over, you simply delete them. There's a lot more information in our user's manual, and we hope that you look at this and get an opportunity to work with it. And if you have any questions, you can always contact us at McCulley & Associates, weem@mcculleygroup.com, and you can find more information on our website. Thank you.